Testing.
Help! We were told to start at this top right corner. Wherever everything else falls is where to land, which we did. And that top right corner is fine. And so we're just double checking that, but we think that this one subframe now might just need to scoot over just a little bit to get our end to be the same distance over here. The old wall was 4mm pixel pitch. Look at the technology from 10 years ago. I had to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 56, 17. Just 17 fiber cables right here to power the old wall. The new wall has more pixels, but the switches can take more data. Now we only have 7. So right now he's only putting a bolt in the top left and right, and then the bottom left and right, just one bolt just to hold the subframe up so it doesn't fall on anybody. Because these things weigh a ton and they're, 15, 16 feet in the air. And then once we get all the subframes in, someone else is gonna come back with the drill bit and add 2 bolts to every single L bracket. We're slightly just clamping on the mounts here. No drilling. Chris, this episode officially and unofficially sponsored by Monster. Thanks, Monster, for keeping us going all through the night to get the job done without you. What I was doing right now is he's trying to get the face of the LED to this laser beam. So while the laser's on there, loosen this bracket, drill this out, until the face of that cabinet is onto that laser. On 16 Candles, when the girl, she's drunk and the door closes and her hair's stuck, and then you
have to cut it?
Yeah, this is what this is reminding me of right here. This freaking bundle is just like that chick's hair. She's just like, wow, yeah, I love you guys. This is what this is giving right here.
Oh, B. My bad.
Come on, bro.
Let me put it back. I bumped it. It was an accident, sir. There, right back where it was at.
Status update. The status quo is we just keep working. It's late. 11 o'clock? Okay. Narrow's got it leveled at triple zeros, dude. We're gonna go find all of these cabinets for this section right here. So we're gonna go down, open up more crates, find the boxes, bring them up. We made a miscalculation. Naro was moving too quick as usual, and he mounted all the cabinets, didn't hook up the patch cables, so now we're doing the old reach around. B, you know about the reach around? B's doing the reach.